Ensuring Coherence and Cohesion in Cambridge English Exams. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing an essential aspect of writing quality answers in the Cambridge English Exams: ensuring coherence and cohesion. Whether you're preparing for the First Certificate in English, FCE, the Cambridge Advanced English, CAE, or any other exam, coherence and cohesion can make a significant difference in your score. First and foremost, it's essential to understand what we mean by coherence and cohesion. Coherence. This refers to the logical flow and clarity of your writing. An answer is coherent when the ideas are presented in a logical order and are easy for the reader to follow. Cohesion. This is about how different parts of your writing fit together. Cohesive writing uses various tools like linking words, pronouns, and references to ensure that all the elements of the text work together seamlessly. Now that we have a clear understanding of coherence, let's dive into some practical tips. 1. Plan before you write. Jot down a brief outline of the main ideas you want to cover. This will give you a roadmap to follow as you write. 2. Stick to one main idea per paragraph. Each paragraph should revolve around a single point. If you jump between multiple topics within a single paragraph, your writing might seem disjointed. 3. Use clear topic sentences. Begin each paragraph with a sentence that tells the reader what the paragraph will discuss. This helps set expectations and maintain a logical flow. Cohesion is about making sure that all the pieces of your answer fit together. Here are some ways to achieve that. 1. Use linking words and phrases. Words like, however, in addition, therefore, and, for instance, help connect your ideas and guide your reader through your answer. 2. Refer back to previous ideas. Using pronouns like it, they, or this can help you refer back to previously mentioned concepts, ensuring that your writing feels interconnected. 3. Vary your sentence structures. Using a mix of short and long sentences, combined with different sentence types, can make your writing more dynamic and cohesive. The best way to improve your coherence and cohesion is to practice. Try writing sample answers and have someone else read them. Ask for feedback on the clarity and flow of your writing. The more you practice, the more natural ensuring coherence and cohesion will become. Ensuring coherence and cohesion in your Cambridge English exam answers can significantly boost the quality of your responses. Always remember to plan, use linking words, and practice regularly. We hope this video has shed light on this critical topic. Best of luck with your exam preparations, and see you in the next video.